Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In our previous video for the students of Standard 9, we have already started the new chapter, the tenses. And we have already introduced the simple tenses, from which we have also completed simple present tense in our previous video. We have already understood the classification of tenses, as well as we have already started the simple tenses in our previous video on this same chapter, and we have also understood the uses of simple present tense as well as to frame affirmative, negative and interrogative, both positive and negative sentences in simple tenses. That means we have understood the uses and sentence structures in different kinds of sentences in the simple present tense. So in this video we will continue with the same chapter, the tenses, and we will move ahead with the explanation and study of another simple tense, that is the simple past tense. So in this video we will study simple past tense with the sentence structure in affirmative, negative and interrogative. And we will also learn how to write sentences in each form, affirmative, negative and interrogative, both positive and negative interrogative sentences in simple past tense. But before that, we have to understand what is simple past tense. So what is the use of simple past tense? Now, the simple past tense is used to describe an action that got over, phrasal verb, at a definite time in the past. So definite time, we know the definite time. So at that time, if in the past, at the definite time in the past, if some work is completely completed, completely done, got over means finished, completely finished. So these kind of actions are expressed in the simple past tense. So बीता हुआ समय में अगर कोई काम completely finish हुआ हो, okay, that means no work is left undone, work is completely done. So these kind of actions are expressed in simple past tense. Okay, so here this is the affirmative, this is the structure of affirmative sentence in the simple past tense. If you know, or if we know the structure of sentences, affirmative sentences in the simple past tense, then we will easily understand the structure of negative sentences and interrogative sentences also. Okay, but before we will learn this, we will practice this framing different form of sentences in simple past tense. But before that, we will understand the uses of simple past tense. So what are the uses of the simple past tense? The simple past tense is used. तो simple past tense को किस तरीके से हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं? For an action, number one is for an action that was completed in the past. जो काम बीता हुआ समय में completely finished हुआ हो, तो ऐसे कामों को हम simple past tense में express करेंगे. So if you see the sentence structure as subject plus B2, simple past form. B2 means simple past form. Simple past form plus rest of the sentence. We use only, if we are using main verb, we use only one main verb, that is B2. So in like in the simple present tense, I told you that we use only one verb, whether it is helping verb or main verb, we use only one verb. In the same way, in the simple past tense also, we use only one verb if the sentences are affirmative. Okay, we use B2. If we are using primary auxiliaries, then also we use only one primary auxiliary verb. Okay, we will understand it in later part of this video. Okay, understood? So here we will understand. See here, uses. The simple past tense is used for an action that was completed in the past. जो काम बीता हुआ समय में completely finish हुआ हो, वैसे काम को हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट रेन्ड यस्टरडे, दैट मीन्स कल क्या हुआ, बारिश हुआ. दैट मीन्स कल बारिश हुआ, बारिश होकर खत्म हुआ, अभी बारिश नहीं हो रहा है. आई वॉच दिस मूवी लास्ट संडे, दैट मीन्स आई वॉच दिस मूवी लास्ट संडे मीन्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड वॉचिंग दैट मूवी. ओके, so I hope you have understood. If you see the sentence structure here, subject is it here, rained, V2 plus rest of the sentence के part में क्या है हमारे पास, yesterday है. I watched this movie last Sunday. I subject plus watched is V2. So this movie last Sunday is the rest of the sentence, the part of the sentence. Okay. Now another use, number 2, for the repeated actions in the past. अगर बीता हुआ समय में जो काम फिनिश हुआ हो लेकिन बीता हुआ समय जो रिपीटेडली हुआ हो, ऐसे कामों को भी हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. लाइक फादर रेड द न्यूज़पेपर एंड आई कंप्लीटेड माय होमवर्क. ओके, लाइक you should write when I completed my homework. Okay, that means father read the newspaper, subject plus B2. Here also subject plus B2. Okay, दो काम हुआ है. और we can also write while I completed my homework. Okay, two simultaneous actions. This is called two simultaneous actions. When we use while, these two action of reading and completing homework, action of reading newspaper and completing homework has been taken at the same time. So this is इसे हम simultaneous action कहते हैं. अगर बीता हुआ समय में जो काम रिपीटेडली या तो साइमल्टेनियस टाइम पे हुआ हो तो उसे भी हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. शी वॉश्ड हर यूनिफॉर्म एंड पॉलिश्ड हर शूज. ओके, सो ये रिपीटेड एक्शन है. शी वॉश्ड हर यूनिफॉर्म, पहले उसने वॉश्ड किया, और पॉलिश्ड हर शूज, उसके बाद पॉलिश किया. सब्जेक्ट प्लस B2 and here also B2. Understood? Now another main thing to understand is, main point to understand is to show the duration in the past. So बीता हुआ समय में अगर हम कुछ ड्यूरेशन बताना चाहते हैं, अवधि, समय का कुछ अंश. Okay, like I studied French for 3 years. Now at present she is not, I am not studying French, but I studied it. I have already finished studying it. लेकिन कितने साल तक? Duration of time is 3 years. Okay, like she talked over the phone for half an hour. So she is not more talking in the over the phone. She has already talked. The action of talking is completed, but it took for an hour. So कुछ समय के लिए क्या किया, ये समय के लिए हुआ लेकिन अभी नहीं हो रहा है, खत्म हो चुका है, फिनिश्ड हो चुका है. ठीक है, तो ऐसे एक्शंस को भी हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. So she talked over phone. See, subject plus B2. Here also subject plus B2. Okay. Now the another main important point to understand here is to describe an action that was completed at a specific time. So बीता हुआ कुछ खास समय में अगर कोई काम कंप्लीट हुआ हो, दिया हुआ समय में कुछ काम कंप्लीट हुआ हो, या तो ऐसे बीता हुआ समय में कुछ समय में अगर काम फिनिश हुआ हो, तो ऐसे एक्शन को भी हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. लेंगे आई वेंट टू पेरिस लास्ट ईयर. सो लास्ट ईयर समय बीत चुका है लेकिन स्पेसिफिक टाइम इज लास्ट ईयर. सो लास्ट ईयर ये काम फिनिश हो चुका है. सो आई वेंट टू पेरिस लास्ट ईयर. सो वेंट completely done. Okay, now maybe he is at home, I am at home. Okay, subject plus B2. I stayed at the beach when I was visiting the seaside. So here we have to understand the order of tenses also. I stayed at the beach, subject plus B2, when I was visiting the seaside. So mostly whenever we write two sentences, and when we write the first sentence is simple past tense, then second sentence may be written in the past continuous tense. Okay, so now point number 5, to show the state of being at the past or in the past. So बीता हुआ समय में अगर किसी के पास कुछ था, state of being, या कोई क्या था, किसी के पास कौन कैसा था, तो ऐसे भी हम ऐसे एक्शंस को भी हम ऐसे स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग को भी हम क्या करेंगे, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस पे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. लाइक द चिल्ड्रन वर हैप्पी टुडे. आज बच्चे. हियर वी हैव यूज्ड द हेल्पिंग प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज ग्रुप ऑफ टू बी वर्ब्स वर. सो हियर आल्सो वी हैव यूज्ड सिंगल verb. When the sentences are affirmative in simple past tense also, when we use the primary auxiliary verbs, they are also used alone. Okay. Sheila's mother was a police woman. Sheila's mother was a police woman. Was a वो थी police woman थी. Maybe she is retired at the present time, but she was. Okay था. तो single verb. Okay. So now to show the past possession. किसके पास क्या था बीता हुआ समय में, ये भी हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. लाइक मिस्टर जैन हैड अ बिग फार्म हाउस इन हिज विलेज. मिस्टर जैन के पास क्या था, बिग फार्म हाउस था. तो हियर ऑल्सो वी आर यूजिंग दिस इज दीज आर द सेंटेंसेस इन एफर्मेटिव फॉर्म. सो अगर हम एफर्मेटिव फॉर्म में लिखते हैं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में, तो हम एक ही वर्ब यूज करेंगे, चाहे वो मेन वर्ब हो या हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो. यहाँ पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब को हम मेन वर्ब की तरह ट्रीट करेंगे. दे हैड अ बिग फैमिली, दे हैड अ हैप्पी फैमिली. सो हियर ऑल्सो सिंगल verb. Okay. Now we will understand the structure of sentences in affirmative, negative as well as interrogative, both positive interrogative and negative interrogative. And we will also learn how to change the sentences in affirmative form in simple past tense into negative sentences, into positive and negative but interrogative sentences. So here subject plus structure in affirmative form is subject plus B2 plus rest of the sentence. Examples: they went to Mumbai yesterday. Subject plus B2. Subject plus B2 plus rest of the sentence. He was our neighbor. Subject plus was, B2 of to be verb. Okay. Our neighbor, rest of the sentence. Subject he had a new car. Subject plus had is B2 and B3 both of to be verb. New car is the rest of the sentence. Okay. Now let us change the same sentences into negative. We have to understand some exception, that this structure is mostly followed but not at all time. Okay, like see here. They went to Mumbai yesterday. Affirmative. Now negative. They did not go to Mumbai yesterday. Subject plus did plus not plus B1. So in our previous explanation, in affirmative we used B2. Okay, main verb B2. But when we are changing affirmative into negative, we have to use do verbs as the helping verbs. That means it is past tense, so we have to use did from do verbs. Like in simple present tense, we used does or do. But here in past tense, simple past tense, we have to use did from do verbs. Okay. Subject plus did plus not. That means helping verbs और main verb के बीच में हम not को use करेंगे in negative sentence. Okay. Plus V1. Why V1? Because after do, does, did, we always use the main verb V1 plus rest of the sentence. Like they did not go to Mumbai yesterday. We don't write. If you write they did not went, it is wrong. Okay, they did not go. Why did not go? After do, does, did, the main verb is always V1. Okay. Now he was not our neighbor. When you write affirmative sentences in simple past tense by using to be verbs, वहां पर हमें अगर उसे नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमें चेंज करना है तो हमें डीड का जरूरी नहीं है. ओके, वी विल यूज द सेम प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज एज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑल्सो हियर. ही वॉज नॉट आवर नेबर. ही वॉज आवर नेबर, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. ही वॉज नॉट आवर नेबर, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस बट नेगेटिव. बट if we have used to have verbs as the helping verbs in the simple past tense, like did, like he had a new car. यहां पर क्या है? He had a new car. यहां पर we have single verb had as the main verb and the sentence is in simple past tense. Okay, past possession. But when you change this, अगर have verbs को हमने सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में अगर had को हमने मेन वर्ब की तरह यूज किया है, तो इसे नेगेटिव में चेंज करने के लिए हमें did का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. अगर be verbs है तो we use the same be verbs as the helping verb. But here if we have had as the helping verb, we have to use did as the helping verb. Had as the main verb, then we have to use did as the helping verb. Like he did not have. Why have? Because after do, does, did, always use V1, and have is the V1 of to have verbs. Okay. Now let us learn how to change the same sentences into interrogative, both negative and positive. Like when we write interrogative sentences by using helping verbs comes at the beginning of the sentence and subject comes in between the helping verb and the main verb. Like they went to Mumbai yesterday was our affirmative sentence. Now negative is did they go to Mumbai yesterday? This is positive. Did, helping verb, they, subject, go, main verb. So did they went nahi hoga. If you write did they went, it will be incorrect. Okay, because after do, does, did, always V1, and go is the V1 of go verb go. Okay. Now if you write the same interrogative sentence in negative, you have to write not before the main verb. Okay, after the subject. Did they not go to Mumbai yesterday? So this is also the interrogative sentence, but in negative form. Okay. Was he our neighbor? So here यहाँ पर अगर हमें सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में पास्ट स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग दिखाने के लिए अगर हम टू बी वर्ब्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में भी टू बी वर्ब्स को ही हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तरह यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. वॉज ही आवर नेबर? पॉजिटिव. वॉज ही नॉट आवर नेबर? नेगेटिव. ओके. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, द सेम, द लास्ट सेंटेंस. When we use to have verbs as the main verb in the simple past tense to show the past possession. So, but here we have to use did as the helping verb. Okay, like did he have a new car? So here have is the main verb. Okay, after do, does, did, always V1. Did he have a new car? This is positive interrogative sentence. And now when we change this sentence into negative, we have to use not before the main verb. तो यहाँ पर main verb क्या है? Have है, V1. So have से पहले हमें not को use करना है. Did he not have a new car? So this is interrogative sentence in simple past tense but in negative form. I hope you have understood my explanation about the uses of simple past tense, sentence structures in affirmative, in negative, as well as negative and positive interrogative sentences in simple past tense. But still, if you have any doubts, kindly clarify your doubts during the class period. Okay, students. So this much for today's class. My dear students, thank you so much for attending my class today. If still you have any kinds of doubts, kindly clarify your doubts in the class period. So I would like to stop my class here. Finally, we have come to the end of this today's period. Thank you so much, my dear students, for attending my class today. Thank you so much.